Thank you, Jennifer. As we all adjust to what comes next, as we protect our employees, our guests, and our businesses, there will be many new considerations. Joining us next today, we have OYO founder and CEO Ritesh Agarwal. He is a 2013 recipient of a Peter Thiel Fellowship and bypassed college to pursue his vision to change hospitality. What began as a portal for budget accommodations evolved into OYO Rooms. Over the past 7 years, OYO became one of the fastest growing hospitality companies in the world and is quickly expanding its footprint in the American market. Ritesh, thank you for joining us today all the way from India. I hope you and your family are well and staying safe through these tough times. Let's get right into it. So Ritesh, as you know, the hospitality industry is no stranger to disruptors such as OTAs and short-term rentals. Do you consider OYO a disruptor, and how do you see OYO's role in the industry?
It's an absolute honor, Biran. Thank you so much for having me over, and I hope you and family are also doing well. To begin with, we like to think of OYO more as an innovator who's responsible to constantly use its leading edge technologies, data, process, and various systems to ensure that we can bring value to our customers and our partners. More specifically for today's discussion, our partners or our hotel owners choose OYO due to various reasons. We bring them good customer service. We bring them the ability of making sure that we deliver to them better revenue management. So at the heart, the way we think about our business is how do we constantly have a pursuit for innovation, wherein we learn the problems from our partners, bring the learnings that we have together along with the technology and data resources that we have, and bring great outcomes for our consumers and partners. As they always say, that this is absolutely an aspirational plan to try and make sure that how do we marry technology, data, and learnings from our partners and customers.
I just want to change directions a little bit. Last year, Ritesh, you and I met, and you had just stated to me that, there was many lessons that you all learned after entering the U.S. market, right? And there might have been some missteps along the way. What did you learn, and how did you all adjust?
So to begin with, we have no qualms in acknowledging that there were absolutely various lessons learned for us right around the time we were launching here in the United States. But whenever there are challenges, we go back to our basics, speak to our partners, and make improvements. A lot of people, would have met me during the course of my personal town halls and road trips across the United States. As I met partners, I constantly learned more and we made improvements. For example, we improved on our revenue management program, due to which we continue to deliver better RevPARs. Our RevPARs have now reached, even in the times of COVID, around 92% of the pre-COVID levels. Wow. Our partners were still not fully satisfied. They wanted further control on pricing. So we gave them an opportunity by means of pricing modifications on their mobile system, through which they can increase prices. A third of our partners use it now. Similarly, on room viewing feature. Various products like this are examples that our brand and company is responsible to constantly listen to our partners and then with quick response ensure that we bring innovative solutions to our partners so we bring value for them and to our customers as a follow-up of it.
Ritesh, everyone goes through hurdles in life, and it's good to know that you all have acknowledged the hurdles and are improving on them. We've all read the negative social media and the articles about OYO. What would you like to say in reference to that? And what would you want our audience to know about OYO?
Absolutely, Brain. As you can imagine, this is a world where there is increasing amount of comments, both fair and unfair, true and untrue on social media. OYO has always invited critical feedback, whichever critical feedback helps us improve and serve our customers, partners, and our ecosystem better. So if there is anybody out there who's out there to ensure that they can give us critical feedback by which we become a better company or we can serve our partners or customers better, we welcome it. good work can only be talked about by the end beneficiaries. Our partners, the 300 plus hotel partners who have joined OYO and have been with us through this pandemic, and there have been more that have joined us every month. I would like to make sure that they are the people who are the most representative of the good work that we are doing there, that we are committed to make sure that we learn from each other, we improve on our mistakes, and work towards a long-term successful future in the years to come.
Before we close, I want to talk a little bit, one question about the future. You know, every brand is having to evaluate the owner value proposition post-COVID world, right? They're having to consider the guest expectations and reductions in hotel staffing. I'm sure OYO's no different. So can you tell us what changes can we see OYO making moving forward?
I believe that crisis brings clarity, which in our case has been a combination of get back to basics and innovate. The part of basics has been care. We've tried to be caring for our customers by means of bringing scrub stays in the United States as per CDC guidelines, or ensuring that we launched our global partnership with Unilever to deliver safe experiences for our patrons, our partners, and their families. The third bit that we've learned is that good karma brings good business eventually. I still remember a few of our partners came in and told us that we would like to share free nights for the frontliners in the United States. We saw the highest traffic jump after enabling these thousands of frontliners get free stays than we have ever seen, even after spending a lot of capital on marketing, which also gave good returns, but there was more that came in through this process. Our belief is this is the period more than ever before where we all have to work together. We all have to get our shoulders together in order to make sure that we not just see through this crisis, we innovate in terms of using technology in our premises. We bring more demand, whatever exists out there. We serve our customers the best. And if we do all of this, we will come out stronger as an industry. And there will be stories of our resilience that will be told in the years to come.
Thank you for taking the time out, being with us today, and good luck to the road to recovery. I wish you well and see you soon, buddy.